quarterfinals.
Ryan Reyes. Dennis Espino comes back after a long rest on the bench and draws the foul from Eric Menk.
They're going to get called for that technical foul dahil pagkapito, the entire Santa Lucia team started to clap at the call of the referee.
His first team foul on Jim Davis. Technical foul on assistant coach Cholo Martin.
Si assistant coach Cholo Martin ang tinawagan ng technical foul. Mark Aguila makes good on the free throw. Well, ang reaction ng Santa Lucia was isa pa lang daw ngayong lang nakatawagan ng foul yung Barangay Ginebra dito sa quarter na ito.
I remember that first foul came at past the 7-minute mark or 8 minutes into the quarter. That's why sila ang pakiramdam nila natagalan ng konti yung unang foul ng Ginebra.
Here's Kelly Williams. Double teamed. And a foul is going to be called. And again, the applause from the Santa Lucia bench.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Benson. Ryan Reyes. Hand off to Kelly Williams. Williams, top of the key. Yes! TM. Long two lang yun para kay Kelly Williams. It is 84-76, 8-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining.
You know, the pace slowed down, but in no ways is Barangay Ginebra out of the woods yet. It's only an 8-point lead at this point.
And Hildebrand misses. Kelly Williams with the rebound. Narito si Ryan Reyes into the front court. Kelly Williams sinasalubong ni J.J. Hildebrand. He lets it fly. Wala. Loose ball picked up by Ryan Reyes. And the low-look pass to Kelly Williams. At nagsalubong sila ni Chris Alexander. Sino tatawagan? Yes, Chris Alexander picks up his 4th personal foul.
And ito yung nabanggit ko sa iyo kanina. Alexander picked up 2 quick fouls in the game, maybe about 6 minutes in the first quarter. But look what he's done to preserve his fouls.
Yeah.
2 minutes and 58 seconds to go. Kailan niya lang nakakuha yung pang-apat niya?
Actually, nauna pa nga si Lee Benson na makakuha ng 4th personal eh. Meanwhile, Kelly Williams at the line. And he cuts the lead somewhat to 7. 2:58 to go. 14 points for Kelly Williams so far. Malakas yata. Didn't get the bounce. Eric Menk for the rebound. Ano na si Danak Miranda. Sinusundan ni Bidoy Amalon. Hildebrand pa rin. Out to Kagiwa. Kagiwa against Amalon. Giwas up si Kagiwa. And there's going to be a foul. Looks like Ryan Reyes will be called for that.
That was a nice matchup with Ryan Reyes and Mark Kagiwa. You know, Mark Kagiwa has a ton of moves, pero si Ryan Reyes was able to stick with him, but at the last second had to give up that foul. You can see right here, mano a mano, Ryan Reyes against Mark Kagiwa. Pinapahirapan ni Ryan Reyes. Mark Kagiwa leaves him behind with his crossover. Ooh.
A foul called on Ryan Reyes.
Natawagan pa ng foul dun si Ryan Reyes. Habol niya yun sa ibabaw. May have got him in the body.
Oops. 85-77. 8-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. 1-2 by Mike Kagiwa. Kelly Williams gets open once again. Yes! Another 2-point shot there by Kelly Williams. And he cuts the lead down to 6. 2 minutes and 18 seconds to go. Sabi mga hindi pa nakakasiguro ang Barangay Ginebra rito. Hildebrand. Tama kay Umulon. So fancy dribbling here by Hildebrand. He gets away from Umulon. Umulon had a piece of that ball, but it lands in the hands of Junti Valenzuela. But the shot clock goes on. And here's Kelly Williams as we go into the outlast 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free batteries. Start agad pag Outlast batteries. Eric Menk called for the foul. And it is Kelly Williams at the line. They're down by only 6 points. 1 minute and 55 to go. Kaya wala hong umaalis sa kanilang mga upuan dito sa Cuneta Astrodome. Ayan, 5 na lang.
You notice at some point, both teams started to become flat, but Santa Lucia is the one that's taking advantage of that. Ginebra still unable to recover from that point.
Umabot na 10 ang lamang ng Barangay Ginebra in this quarter. Dahil hindi nga lumamang itong Barangay Ginebra in the first 3 quarters, no? It was an all Santa Lucia show in the first 36 minutes of this game. But Barangay Ginebra caught fire in the 4th period, led by as many as 10 points at 84-74. Ngayon, ito namang Santa Lucia ang rumarachada. Who's the better 6th man? That's the question.
If you look at the numbers, it's a mismatch for tonight. Joseph Yo, he's done a great job. He has 9 points and 3 rebounds and 3 assists, but no doubter, Mark Aguiwa can score 26 points and he's added 7 rebounds to go along with 2 assists.
Well, nabanggit natin sa umpisa ng coverage, Jason, si Joseph Yo is considered as the wild card hero para sa Santa Lucia Realty. He did a yeoman's job ni Joseph Yo. Nung 2 games that they had against Alaska and Talk and Text. But here, he also made some very crucial points. No? Not as many as Mark Aguiwa, but very important baskets as well para kay Joseph Yo. Helterbrand in the paint, blocked by Omolon.
It's a good job of Nelbert Omolon of not giving up on that play. Naiwan siya ni JJ Helterbrand pero humabol pa rin siya. That's why he got that block.
1:48 to go. Junti Valenzuela against Kelly Williams. Lumalabas si Mark Aguiwa versus Ryan Reyes. Aguiwa pa rin. Crouching low. Jumper back. Aguiwa's not good. Ryan Reyes with another rebound. Into the front court. Sinasalubin ni Junti Valenzuela. The ball goes out of bounds. Last touch on Valenzuela. Says referee Aldaba. Kino-contest naman yan ng mga taga-Barangay Ginebra. But the call stays. Benson. Kelly Williams. Walang mapuntahan. The pass back to Omolon. Benson with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fires a 3. And that will go out of bounds.
That is not a good shot from Lee Benson. 10 seconds to go and they just needed a 2-pointer to make it a 1-possession ball game. Marami pang oras yun.
Medyo nagmadali si Lee Benson. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. 4-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Nasa kanila pa ang bola. JJ Helterbrand slowing it down. They've got the luxury of time. Helterbrand pa rin against Omolon. Junti Valenzuela is open. Tia Tres. Gikan Pagyun sa Sugbo. Junti Valenzuela with a big 3-point basket with 57 seconds to go to put Barangay Ginebra up by 7, 88-81. We have a timeout.